Friends, in my last video, I spoke about the pointers which gives you inclination to set up a restaurant business. In this video, we are going to talk about if you really want to get into the hotel business, you should be in a position to understand the typical problems. I have noted typical problems and I thought of making a video out of it. If you are in a position to tackle these problems or handle these problems, then it's fine getting into the restaurant business. It is not necessary that you should be a wonderful chef, or it's not necessary that you should have the 5-star or a 4-star hotel experience. Fair enough. There are certain pointers which I'm going to talk about. If you are in a position to tackle them, then still there is a scope for you to get into the business. So let me start one by one. First and foremost, the supply, the purchases, the suppliers which will deliver you raw materials. There are various angles to it. You should be in a position to get right suppliers who will give you right rates, which will work out on your food cost. If you are able to handle this, the first point is sorted. Point number 2, let us talk about the customers. Suppose if you have opened the restaurant, you will have typical types of customers coming to your restaurants or giving you calls to come over for a parcel, home delivery, or for reservations. So you should be in a position to handle different types of customers, because it's not that easy. Every customer is different. You should be in a position to handle the customers. I'm not getting into detail. If anybody would like to talk to me over the detailing part of it, we will talk separately. But I just wanted to give the outline out of it. At times, there are government people, the health inspectors, the weight and measures department inspectors, the other licensing governing bodies, the local bodies which keep coming to your outlets asking for different permissions. So you should be in a position to handle them. Your staffing, very important. Your production staff, your service staff, your other admin staff, this right person should be in the right place. You should be in a position to get the replacements fast, because at the bottom end or at the lower end of your staffing, there's a lot of churning happening. People leave the jobs for 500 or 1000 rupees per month if they're getting extra, and eventually your kitchen or the service side suffers. So if you're in a position to handle that, you are at a safe side, you can get into the business. I would say most of the times the government bodies or government people actually treat you like a second-class citizens. They actually test your patience in terms of getting the compliances done. That is important. A lot of customers or restaurant reviewers, they have the habit of playing pressure tactics by putting negative aspects of your business on the social media. You should be in a position to tackle that situation. So there are more problem areas wherein if you are able to tackle them, handle them, then I would say you're fine in getting into the restaurant or hotel business. If you like this video, say like, share it with the industry colleagues, subscribe to my channel. Lots and lots of videos are on the way. My channel is already having more than 200 videos on different topics. If anybody would like to have consultation with me, just put a note down and you will receive a call from my office and we can take the things forward. Till then, I would like to take your leave. Wait for my next video. Thank you. Bye.